Hey guys, Trent here, 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. We have another Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk edition. Just got fired up. This is the pre-video. I'm gonna let y'all get a nice listen. Customer just purchased a Corsa exhaust. He saw the video of the last one that we did, and he said that he wanted to put the same thing on his vehicle, and he also got a cold air intake for it. So we're gonna slap that on there and see how she turns out. Colby, this video is for you. Little before shot of the factory intake, ladies and gentlemen. In case you don't know, this is what a motor looks like when you take this cover off. And there is the new cold air intake. Look at how shiny it is. That V right there, that stands for very, very fast. Okay, let's get a little preview of the factory exhaust. This is the factory exhaust. Kind of blasé. Not very interesting. Not very interesting at all. But we're gonna put this thing on there and hopefully we'll jazz it up a little bit. The unboxing of the Corsa has begun. Look at those shiny tips. It says remove protective film prior to operating the vehicle because it gets hot and it likes to burn stuff. There's the old, gross. There's the new, yeah. Old, gross. New, yeah. Oh yeah, 4x4works.com. We're getting the Corsa catback exhaust all adjusted, set up. And man, this thing looks way better than that old factory exhaust looked. Oh yes, true duel, true duel. We're gonna finish up tightening these screws and bolts, and then we'll drop these wheels on the ground and see how she sounds. Rev it up a little bit. Give a good listen. So that's with no exhaust. This is what it sounds like after the Corsa. Yeah. All right, Kobe, that's for you. Thank you so much, Josh and Kobe Heyman, once again, for bringing your vehicle to 4x4works.com. If you've got a Jeep Grand Cherokee and you want to make it just a little bit more badass, come on by to see me. 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Give me a shout, 469-424-0028. Check me out online, 4x4works.com, Facebook, Instagram. Check out all my other YouTube videos, and don't forget to click that like button. Thank you so much, guys.